In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Sukuna in Stand Rework. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sukuna can be obtained in Stand Rework. To do this, you will need to open these crates or boxes. While you are walking around the map, you might stumble across one of these, and upon interacting with this box, you will get a random item. So as you can see, in these clips that I'm showing you, I was able to find two of them, and I got two cybernetic parts. Now, by opening these boxes, there is roughly a 20% chance that you get Sukuna's finger. As the name suggests, this is the item that you need to play as Sukuna and use him on Stand Rework. So the first step is just going to be to walk around and open these boxes or crates until you find Sukuna's finger. After a while, I was finally able to get it from a box. Sadly, I wasn't recording, but as soon as you open any box, just like this one, you will be able to get it. So I got it exactly in this box, but regardless, all that you have to do after you acquire Sukuna's finger is to eat it. So equip it and you will be able to use it as an item. You will see this animation play out, and immediately after eating Sukuna's finger, you will have access to all of the new combos and all of the new abilities. Stuff like Dismantle, the Counter, Rush, Beatdown, Flame Arrow, and so on. For this video, I'm not going to demonstrate everything, but you will be able to use it just like with any other character available in Stand Rework. So make sure that you check all of the boxes whenever you can, and after you acquire it, you will be able to do all of the combos, use all of the moves, and so on. It is going to be available from any box, and you just need to make sure that you don't have any ability active when you get it. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sukuna in Stand Rework. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.